Welcome back to my channel. Before we start today's tutorial, I want to tell you a little story about this cute bag. Before I start the story, my name is Aderuke and they call me the Nigerian fashionpreneur. I am the principal instructor of Ibadan City Fashion College and a fashion designer, of course. I hope you have subscribed to my channel. If you haven't, please just take a second, click the subscribe button, and you can also turn your notifications on so that whenever I post a new video, you can know. And also go through all the videos. There's so many tips there. There's something for you to learn. There's something for you to just gain, or you can share with your loved ones or someone that needs this. I'm sure they'll be happy you did. Before we start this tutorial today, it's a very short tutorial, but I want to tell you a story about this bag. Why I'm telling this story is because sometimes you learn something and you think it's just one of those things. It doesn't matter. I know it and I know it. There was a time I went for an event, and just this same tutorial got me some cool pounds I wasn't expecting. I had an event and I didn't want to carry a bag that I had, or I didn't have the bag to carry, let me say. I had a sequin material, a velvet sequin. I'm sure some of you know the fabric I'm talking about. I had scraps of velvet sequin and I used it to make this kind of bag I think in a smaller way. Mine should be like halfway, let me see, something like this. So I carried a very nice clutch. I had my phones. It had contained everything I needed for the event. Each time I took that bag out, I always had, oh, your bag is cute. And I had this little gold, I can't remember if it's gold or silver. I had a little chain hanging on the edges, so it's really cute. And you know, even when I finished making the bag, it looked like, okay, this bag doesn't look like it's handmade. The other thing about handmade is people can't see it anywhere. It's your thing, it's your design, it's unique to you only. I went for this event, as I was saying, and in the UK, and someone saw me with the bag, and the person was like, excuse me, I love your bag. I said, okay, thank you. I didn't know if I should say I made it or not, but later I say, okay, it's handmade. Actually, she was like, it's yours, you made it. You mean it's bespoke, like it's just for you? I say, yes, I made it and I've been using it for a couple of times and it's really nice. She bought it instantly. I mean, you see, that is why sometimes you learn a craft, and because you are the one making it, you don't really value it as such. People value it more than you do. So when you're doing it, do it with everything. After you practice, make it with beautiful fabrics, change the design, manipulate it in your own way. I mean, make it a statement that you want it to be. Make it speak your statement or your brand or your name. Use a fabric that is nice, use interfacing that is very good, sew it neatly, and carry it out with class. You'll see that it may be small, but it has a very good potential of giving you a very good side hustle. So just to share my tip with you before we go into the tutorial. So let's go.